Aloha and good morning, everyone. Welcome to another day here in Plant City, Florida. We're just getting ready, about to head out. I'm not too sure what we're gonna do today, so let's see what we can do with the maps available here at the hotel. But first things first, breakfast. Let's go have some breakfast downstairs in the lobby, and then we'll figure out from there and just go with the flow. Just a pretty chill day today. Wanted to rest up before we head into Disney tomorrow, so stay tuned. Wonderful breakfast selection that Townhouse Suites has to offer. There's yogurt, oatmeal, those sausage patties, and eggs, as well as scones and biscuits. So terrific. It was a wonderful breakfast. Nothing to complain about, but I do want to complain about this weather. They said it's gonna storm between 1 to 4 again, so I don't know what to do. We might just go to Tampa River Walk and do a walk there, and then see what there is to eat, and probably come back and do some laundry or just chill. So sorry for another boring day, guys, but the weather is just not cooperating, and I hope the weather doesn't continue on for Disney. But stay tuned, like and subscribe. Okay everyone, we're here at the River Walk. We're starting the walk at the beginning. Parked our car right in the back of us. Parking was like $2.85 for 1 hour. So here we go. 1 hour of walk.
Tampa 的 downtown， 我们从那个酒店借驶来这里1个小时，这里就是等下我们再从这里借驶2个小时去那个 Chinatown。Chinatown 是 Orlando 的 Chinatown。好，等下我们再继续下去，一起去。 里是 Orlando Chinatown。啊，孙中山先生，孙中山先生啊。我们来 shopping 这个 Chinatown。
Hey everyone, so we're here at Chinatown, as you can see, Orlando Chinatown. Just trying to check it out and see what they have over here. Hopefully get some dim sum or Chinese food. If not, we'll just shop around, get some grocery items, and maybe head back to the hotel. So as you can see, very cloudy, very mellow today, and just chilling. That's all we're doing. So guys, it's pretty much like a shopping complex here. Not much, not like our Chinatown in Hawaii, but there's mainly supermarkets, so not much to eat. Of course, I didn't do my research, so we'll just see if we can get a snack, maybe. More so a snack now. Oh look guys, they have bamboo here. I want to get a drink. Alright guys, dinner and lunch tonight. Well, lunch and dinner. We bought manapuas, char siu, roast duck, and banh mi sandwiches. So, bon appetit! Hey everyone, it's the end of the day. You know, we just went busy wandering around until, you know, it started to rain and started to storm. So it was pretty accurate. Around 1 o'clock it started to rain, and that's when we started to head back here to the hotel. Well, closer to 3 or 4 o'clock-ish. So there was thunderstorms, as you can see from the route that we took. Apparently I am a pretty good driver when it rains. Not to toot my horn, but it was pretty dangerous. But at the same time, we got back to the hotel safely, and now it's time to do laundry. So as you can see, the hotel comes with laundry facility. There's dryer and washers. And of course, oh, laundry supplies are available at front desk. I didn't know that. And cycle times are 30 minutes. So I need to do some laundry, guys, and that's it. We're gonna call it a day and then just chill out. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, comment down below about what you enjoyed or what you enjoyed seeing. A lot of people was questioning why in the world I had a GoPro on my backpack. So I hope you really enjoyed today's video, because everyone was looking at me like, what am I filming and what is it for? So, and then tomorrow we're gonna head to Disney, but that's not until 3 o'clock is check-in, so we might just go shopping some more, fill up the car with gas. And surprisingly, this Camry is pretty brand new. It only has 5,000 miles, and it's pretty good on gas. We're only at half tank right now, and we drove to Tampa, halfway to Miami, and also back to Orlando for Chinatown. So pretty good, fuel efficient car. Alright guys, until next time. Guys, forgot to mention our laundry detergent and Unstoppables. These are really good, makes your clothes smell good. We got this from Dollar Tree, $1.25 each. So, and then also for the dryer sheets, I got them from Dollar Tree. So because we only can do laundry at the hotels that have laundry facilities, I don't think Disney would have, so therefore we're gonna do a huge batch of laundry, I think, after Disney. So stay tuned, guys. Which we will get Dollar Tree products then as well too. All right.